AI is screening your CV before any human sees it. Here's how to beat it. Top companies today receive over 5 million applications every year. Screening them manually would take millions of hours or thousands of recruiters. I've interviewed thousands of professionals across 70 plus countries, hired hundreds of them, and mentored over 500 hours globally, many of whom have landed roles at top product companies. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know about building a CV that wins you a role that you're looking for. Companies are now using AI at every touchpoint where manual effort was once required. Even recruiting softwares or ATS like Ashby, Greenhouse, Lever, and Workable are implementing large language models that scrutinize your CV based on specific parameters. New generation recruiting AI softwares like Covey, Loxo, and Juicebox are redefining recruitment entirely. They can now scan all your social profiles and shortlist candidates with unprecedented precision. Let's talk numbers. Imagine 5,000 to 10,000 applications for a software engineer role. Sounds insane, right? Your chance of getting shortlisted. For many, it's just 5 to 10%. But with a strategically crafted CV, you can push that number to 80% or higher. Here's how. 1. Your resume length. Keep it tight. Keep your CV to 1 to 2 pages maximum, depending on your seniority and technical depth. Let's say, if you're a product manager who held similar roles across companies, don't repeat the same responsibilities. Focus on what was unique about each role and the impact you created. Wait, I know what you're thinking. Man, I have 10 plus years of experience. How can I fit everything? Let me tell you, it's about smart layout choices, font size optimization, and knowing what to prioritize. Create 2 to 3 versions focusing on different niches if needed. 2. Quantify everything. Show results, not just responsibilities. AI systems are trained to identify quantifiable achievements. They're looking for numbers. For sales roles, revenue generated, customer satisfaction scores, logos closed, deal sizes, etc. For engineering roles, tickets resolved, features shipped, system uptime percentages, scale improvements, user growth metrics, etc. For product roles, user adoption rates, retention improvements, feature success metrics.
Got it. Let me note that.
Look back at your work and back calculate accurate numbers. Don't fabricate. You'll eventually be caught. But don't undersell yourself either. That project you worked on likely had measurable impact. 3. Education and continuous learning signal growth. AI evaluation models heavily weigh educational background and upskilling efforts. They are programmed to identify curious minds, showcase your academic credentials, but also highlight certifications, courses, and training you've completed. Whether it's a prestigious university degree or a relevant online certification from Coursera, Udemy, or specialized platforms included. Continuous learning signals adaptability and growth mindset. 4. Symmetry and visual hierarchy. Create readability. Think of your CV like interior design. Would you accept overlapping elements that destroy the aesthetic? Your CV deserves the same care. Symmetry matters enormously. A few sentences flowing to the next line is fine, but aim for clean alignment from left to right. Rephrase bullets to fit neatly within margins. Consistency is key. Use the same font for headings and body text. Choose something professional and readable. The template doesn't need to be fancy. Clarity beats creativity here. 5. Strategic highlighting draws the eye. While AI doesn't care about visual emphasis, humans eventually will. Had a major impact. Highlight it with one contrasting color and bold text. Use this sparingly and uniformly. This helps your key achievements pop the page during human review. 6. Social profiles are your extended resume. In 2026, your online presence is part of your professional identity. Include hyperlinked profiles for the following: LinkedIn, essential for everyone; GitHub, for software engineers and technical roles; Medium or personal blog, for hobbyists, content and copywriters, thought leadership, and anyone that enjoys to write; X or Twitter, if professionally active; portfolio website or relevant platform for your specialization. Don't just paste raw URLs, hyperlink them properly for a cleaner look. Important: skip the headshot. Your picture isn't required on CVs and can introduce unconscious bias or take up valuable space. 7. Keywords and role alignment. Modern AI screening has become context-aware. It's not just about keyword stuffing anymore. It's about semantic matching. The AI understands synonyms and related concepts. Study the job description carefully. If they mention cross-functional collaboration and you've worked with interdepartmental teams, use both terms naturally. Mirror the language of the role while staying authentic to your experience. 8. File format and ATS compatibility. Save your CV as a PDF with selectable text, not as an image. I built mine in Word and converted it to PDF, and I've set the bar high at companies like Snowflake, VMware, acquired by Broadcom, Dell, and many other top product companies. Avoid tables, text boxes, and footers that can confuse parsing systems. Stick to standard section headings like experience, education, and skills. 9. Tailor for every application. Generic CVs get generic results. For roles you really want, customize your CV to emphasize relevant experience. This doesn't mean rewriting everything, just reordering priorities and adjusting emphasis. The best approach is to keep 2 to 3 variants and A/B test to see which one performs best for you. AI systems are increasingly sophisticated at matching candidate profiles to role requirements. The closer your alignment, the higher you'll rank. Bottom line: appear as unique and qualified as possible while making it easy for both AI and humans to process your information. A well-crafted CV can take 5 to 10 hours to create, but it's worth every minute. I've shared a resume template that works for most roles. Feel free to use it as your starting point. Remember, the goal isn't to trick the AI. It's to present your genuine qualifications in the clearest, most compelling way possible. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more real-life XP.